Modern job sites demand more than just basic tools. They need precision, speed, safety, and comfort all working together. Wera is answering that demand with a lineup of tools designed to make everyday tasks faster, smarter, and more controlled. From advanced torque solutions and compact ratchets to ergonomic screwdrivers and highly portable tool sets, these latest Wera tools focus on efficiency without compromising reliability. Whether it's working in tight spaces, handling sensitive fasteners, or staying organized on the move, Wera's newest offerings are built to improve workflow, reduce fatigue, and deliver consistent performance where it matters most. In jobs where accuracy is non-negotiable and over-tightening can instantly ruin components, the Wera SafeTorque A1 proves why it's trusted by professionals. At its core is a slip-over release mechanism that ensures the preset torque value can never be exceeded, no matter how much force the user applies. This is especially important when working with sensitive fasteners, electronics, or precision assemblies. However, Wera didn't stop at torque control alone. The built-in torque lock function allows the torque mechanism to be fully deactivated, instantly converting the tool into a standard ratchet capable of handling high loosening forces or angle-controlled tightening tasks. In addition, the tool supports controlled clockwise and counterclockwise operation, meaning tightening and loosening can be done either with torque control or freely, depending on the task. Setting the torque value is straightforward and reliable thanks to audible and tactile clicks that clearly confirm each adjustment. Once the target torque is reached, the release angle is limited to just 30 degrees, reducing unnecessary movement. Meanwhile, the fine 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism delivers an exceptionally low 5-degree return angle, allowing efficient work even in confined spaces. The quarter-inch square drive with secure socket locking rounds out a tool designed for precision, safety, and flexibility. When a fastening job demands serious torque without sacrificing comfort, the Kraftform Kompakt 400 screwdriver bit set rises to the challenge. The T-handle design plays a major role here, as it allows the user to transmit particularly high tightening and loosening forces with far less strain compared to traditional straight handles. To support this power delivery, Wera uses an ergonomic two-component handle with well-defined finger recesses and a carefully textured surface that improves grip while minimizing fatigue during extended use. As work continues, efficiency remains high thanks to rapid adapter technology, which allows lightning-fast bit changes without tools or interruptions. The magnetic bit holder further simplifies screw placement, holding fasteners securely and improving control during alignment. Designed for 1/4-inch external hex bits according to DIN ISO standards, this 17-piece set covers a wide range of applications while maintaining a compact, job-ready format. Overall, it's a solution built for users who regularly face stubborn fasteners and demand both strength and reliability. For fast-paced environments where speed, organization, and control must work together, the Kraftform Kompakt 20 RA-R delivers a highly refined experience. The ratchet mechanism is fully integrated into the handle, eliminating bulk while still providing fine-toothing for smooth operation. With a minimal 6-degree return angle, the tool performs exceptionally well in tight spaces where traditional screwdrivers struggle. What truly enhances productivity, however, is the ability to spin the ratchet quickly when there is little resistance from the screw, allowing rapid advancement without repositioning the hand. Direction switching feels intuitive and natural. Turn the switch clockwise and the ratchet follows. Turn it counterclockwise and it reverses. Inside the handle, an integrated magazine stores 6 25mm bi-torsion bits, ensuring commonly used profiles are always available. These bits are clearly marked using the Take It Easy color coding system, saving time during bit selection. Combined with rapid adapter technology for instant bit changes and a telescopic blade for adjustable reach, this tool becomes a compact yet extremely capable everyday companion. Rather than following traditional screwdriver design rules, the Tool Rebel set completely rethinks how screwdriving should feel in the hand. The pistol grip shape places the wrist and hand in a natural, energy-saving position, significantly improving leverage while reducing fatigue during prolonged or awkward tasks. This ergonomic advantage becomes even more noticeable when paired with the fine-toothed ratchet, which requires only an 8-degree movement to continue turning the screw. As a result, work can continue smoothly without constantly lifting or repositioning the tool. Direction changes are quick and effortless thanks to the easily accessible reversing ring. Bit handling is equally refined, with rapid adapter technology allowing instant bit swaps and a strong magnet ensuring secure retention during use. The handle itself houses a bit magazine, keeping essential bits close at hand. Completing the package is a robust textile holster that keeps everything organized and within reach. With additional bits and a Kraftform hand holder included, this set is designed to be both visually distinctive and practically unstoppable. Comfort and precision take center stage with the 8010B Zyklop Comfort Ratchet, especially in environments where space is limited and surfaces must be protected. The plastic sleeve gives the ratchet a pleasant, secure feel, while also shielding surrounding materials from accidental damage. Beneath this exterior lies a finely tuned 80-tooth mechanism that enables an extremely short 4.5-degree return angle, making it possible to work efficiently even where movement is restricted. The slim head design further enhances accessibility, allowing the tool to reach fasteners in narrow gaps. Soft, ergonomic grip zones enhance control during extended use, and the push-button socket locking system ensures sockets stay firmly in place. Direction changes are smooth and reliable thanks to the integrated reversing lever, making this ratchet a dependable choice for precision work. When higher torque and better reach are required, the 6007 Joker SB ring ratchet spanner proves its strength through intelligent design. Its extra-long handle significantly increases leverage, allowing stubborn fasteners to be loosened with less effort. The open end features a metal plate holding function that securely grips nuts and bolts, while an integrated limit stop prevents slipping and protects both the fastener and the user. At the ring end, a robust ratcheting mechanism delivers smooth, durable performance even under heavy loads. The open end's 30-degree return angle allows faster repositioning, particularly in tight or obstructed spaces. Finished with take-it-easy color coding and laser-engraved size markings, this spanner combines clarity, safety, and serious torque capability. Designed for professionals who need maximum versatility in minimal space, the ToolCheck Plus 1 packs an impressive amount of functionality into a compact format. This 39-piece set supports both manual and machine use and works seamlessly with the Zyklop Mini, a bit-holding screwdriver, or a bit holder. Green locking components ensure that every tool remains securely in place, which is particularly important during transport or mobile work. The set includes a 1/4-inch bit ratchet, Kraftform bit-holding screwdriver, bi-torsion bits, rapid adapter holder, adapters, and sockets, covering a wide range of fastening tasks. With the Take It Easy tool finder system clearly marking sizes and profiles, tool selection becomes fast and frustration-free, making this set ideal for technicians on the move. Organization plays a crucial role in efficient work, and the 9610 Joker magnetic rail offers a clean and practical solution. Its powerful magnet allows it to attach securely to metal surfaces, while optional screw mounting enables permanent wall installation. Each clip holds spanners firmly in place, preventing accidental falls while keeping tools clearly visible and easy to access. Whether mounted in a workshop, service vehicle, or job site wall, this rail keeps frequently used tools organized and ready at a moment's notice. For electrical professionals, the 837 IRA blade holding handle combines safety, speed, and control in one refined tool. Designed specifically for Wera VDE interchangeable blades, it offers certified insulation while maintaining excellent ergonomics. The integrated fine-tooth ratchet allows fast, controlled screwdriving, while the spinning function enables rapid turning when resistance is minimal. Switching between clockwise, counterclockwise, and neutral positions is intuitive and smooth. The Kraftform Plus handle includes hard zones for speed and soft zones for torque, ensuring comfort during extended use. A hexagonal anti-roll feature prevents the tool from rolling away, making it especially practical in busy work environments. Built for high-torque electrical applications, the Wera VDE cross handles deliver strength without compromising safety. The fine-tooth ratchet mechanism ensures precise operation with a minimal 4.5-degree return angle, allowing effective work in tight spaces. The fast rotating sleeve enables resistance to be applied using finger pressure, which is especially useful when screws turn freely. Direction changes are quick thanks to the reversing lever, while the socket mounting with integrated ball lock keeps attachments secure. Fully GS tested, this tool is a reliable choice for demanding electrical installations. Speed and precision come together in the 7515 Kraftform Safe Torque Speed Torque screwdriver. Designed for quick torque adjustment, it allows users to select torque values between 2.0 and 6.0 Newton-meters with ease. The secure slip-over mechanism prevents over-tightening in both directions, protecting components from damage. When torque limitation isn't required, the torque lock function enables unlimited tightening and loosening. Compatible with 1/4-inch bits and socket inserts, it's particularly useful for bicycle maintenance and mechanical assembly. Hex Plus profiles reduce wear on fasteners, and compatibility with the Wera 2Go system makes transport simple. Engineered for cyclists who value efficiency and portability, the Bicycle Set 15 delivers maximum capability in an ultra-compact form. Its innovative 4-in-1 bits allow multiple screw sizes to be handled with a single bit, reducing both weight and clutter. The glass fiber reinforced tire levers safely remove tires without damaging rims and can be clipped together to prevent loss. One lever features a 1/4-inch hex bit mounting, while the other doubles as a valve ejector and air bleeder. Together, these features make the set a highly practical companion for on-the-go bike maintenance. Precision work demands precision tools, and the Wera Kraftform Micro Big Pack 2 is built exactly for that purpose. This 28-piece set comes in a compact roll-up case and includes 3 master screwdrivers for quick access during detailed tasks. The multi-component Kraftform micro handles provide excellent ergonomics, while rotating caps allow fast twirling for speed and control. Integrated roll protection prevents tools from slipping away, and black point tips ensure precise fit along with improved corrosion resistance. This set is ideal for electronics, fine mechanics, and delicate assemblies. Focused on everyday practicality, the Kraftform Kompakt 27 Set 1 offers a well-balanced combination of durability and convenience. The bit holder features a strong permanent magnet that keeps bits securely in place, improving control during use. Inside the handle, an integrated magazine stores 6 bit torsion bits, covering common profiles such as Phillips, Posi-Driv, Torx RX, and slotted. The Take It Easy color coding system simplifies bit selection, and roll-off protection ensures the tool stays where you put it. This set is ideal for quick tasks where efficiency matters. Designed for smooth and fatigue-free operation, the Kraftform Kompakt 400 RA Set 2 combines ergonomic comfort with mechanical efficiency. The 2-component handle supports high torque transmission, while the fine-tooth ratchet mechanism ensures controlled and reliable operation. A reversing lever allows easy right-to-left switching, and the high-speed rotary sleeve increases working speed when resistance is low.
The 1/4-inch socket features a secure ball locking mechanism, and take-it-easy color coding makes identification simple. Compact yet remarkably versatile, the Zyklop Pocket functions as both a ratchet and a screwdriver. Magnetic direct mounting converts the 3/8-inch ratchet into a 1/4-inch bit driver instantly. The freely pivoting head locks into 5 positions, while the 72-tooth mechanism provides a smooth 5-degree return angle. A captive swiveling bit magazine ensures secure storage and easy access. Combined with a strong magnet, stainless steel sleeve, and Wera 2Go compatible holster, it's built for mobile professionals. When working space is extremely limited, the Zyklop Mini Ratchet becomes indispensable. Despite its slim, filigree design, it delivers industrial-grade strength and reliability. It allows fast screwdriving in confined areas where power tools or standard ratchets simply won't fit. Direct bit mounting ensures simplicity, while optional socket use via an adapter adds versatility. It's a small tool with serious capability. Purpose-built for solar installations, the 9524 Photovoltaic mounting tool set simplifies complex photovoltaic assembly tasks. It includes dedicated MC4 connector tools, an adjustable torque screwdriver with pistol handle, and a Rapidaptor bit holder with fast rotating functionality. The Joker ring spanner is optimized for narrow spaces, expanding placement options during installation. Together, these tools create a reliable and efficient solution for photovoltaic professionals. As a complete set, the 8009 Zyklop Pocket delivers compact versatility for daily work. It features an integrated bit magazine and magnetic mounting that transforms the ratchet into a bit driver. The pivoting head locks into 5 positions, while the 72-tooth mechanism ensures a low 5-degree return angle. A universal holder, strong magnet, and durable textile holster compatible with Wera 2Go make it ideal for mobile use. Born from real-world job site habits, the Wera Collis Ratchet officially combines hammering and ratcheting into one rugged tool. Instead of damaging standard ratchets through misuse, the Collis is engineered to withstand hammer blows safely. Direction changes are handled via a hardened square drivetrain, eliminating fragile switching mechanisms. The result is extreme durability and reliability, especially during setup and disassembly tasks where switching tools slows progress. That wraps up a look at some new Wera tools for 2026. The focus is on smarter, safer, and more connected systems that save time and boost the quality of your work. Which of these new tools catches your eye the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more detailed tool reviews and insights.